Okay, so that's very easy to invert psi. Okay, take our psi matrix and flip these two and then make these two negative. And then divide by the determinant. And Eddie Full knows that, right?
That's right.
And we're laughing
Right.
because I worked it out by, reducing the augmented matrix with the identity and so forth and screwed it up. And then I tried inverting what I thought would happen and kept messing up signs. And then finally wrote down A, B, C, D, and, flipped this and decided which signs had to be different. And I finally got it, but it took us a while. So this is kind of funny. And not because you guys had trouble, because you guys did pretty well with the matrix reduction. But there's no 3/2. I don't know where that came from. It looked okay to me until I looked a little more closely. Okay, anyhow, there's our psi inverse, right? So full disclosure, old man here can't do the simple algebra, can't skip the steps he thinks he can skip, okay? It's that simple. And I've got to learn to compensate for that just by not skipping steps. Okay, so anyhow, this comes out, if I can do this right, negative 1/2, 1/2, gee, and 1/2 e to the 2t, e to the negative 2t, 1/2 e to the negative 2t, and that's also negative. No, yeah. Okay. These have to have opposite signs because when you multiply them by the psi matrix, well, look at the psi matrix and you see exactly why. Okay? So, now we proceed, right? After the very simple step of inverting a 2x2 matrix. Okay? Now, I went through the matrix reduction process incorrectly, but I went through it because if you have a system of 3 equations with 3 y functions, you don't have a simple rule for inverting it. And you have to go to the matrix reduction, okay? And if I did that, I would probably not skip steps because that's, you got to keep track a little more carefully. Not that I necessarily could. Okay. Not that I necessarily would. I could. I'd bet against it. Okay, so here we go. Now, where does this take us with the variation of parameters?